This is repair of bottle jack. How we can see it's very high. This is for a sprinter, Mark sprinter. There's jack leaking in here. We can see the bubbles coming up. Yeah. I can feel the bubbles coming up. I will loose this big nut with these pliers and we have a look what happened. Eh? I did loosen it before with a long pipe because it's very tight. I did unscrew this cap, yeah, so the cap is free and this top is free. It's a lot of amount of oil, so I put the drainer under. We have to remove the pin in here. Yeah, we have to tap it out, take this top off, and then we will be able to remove this cap, this tube. Yeah, let's go. I will gonna do it. Yeah, right now. So I took my pin from here off, so I am able to remove this top of the jack, remove the cap and remove this tube. Yeah, I pressed my piston right down. Now what I gonna do is put this bottom of the jack to the vise, and I need to loosen this pipe with this hydraulic pliers. Yeah, the top of the jack was very tight, so for this maybe I will need to use a pipe on it. Yeah, the French, the pliers and pipe over the pliers. Yeah, so this pipe was very tight, so I loosened it with this pliers with pipe over the pliers. Now I can unscrew it. Be careful because it's spring inside, and watch for a part so nothing will fall off. Right? Yeah. I did some marks on this pipe, but on the outer of this pipe doesn't matter, so this pipe no need be slide in the other pipe. Yeah, so will be fine. Yeah, with these marks. Now we can slide the pistons all the way off. Better make a arrow in here with the marker or something like to do the position of this pipe. Yeah, like arrow to the top. Yeah, that needs to be like. These seals need to be replaced. Yeah, black ones. I will take any pipe off. Oh, you can see the rubbish inside. Yeah, like we need to clean everything and replace the seals.